checking out the new Serif TV from Samsung, and I've got to say it's called Serif for very good reason. If you look at the side profile of the television, it actually forms the shape of the letter I. Obviously a serif I, not a sans serif. So because of that, you've got this beautiful kind of narrow line body, but it's also got the feet, top and bottom, and that is what's integrated into its base. And what I like about that is that it completely reimagines the way a TV should look and feel. I mean, when you think about televisions, usually they're just a flat black box, you know, they haven't really progressed further than that. What's unique about the Serif is that they've actually treated it more like a design element. You know, it's more of an object and a presence. So now it can actually sit in your home and interact with your home and interiors and your lifestyle. And the reason why I think it can also interact really well at home is because of its interface, which is actually really interesting. It's got some interesting ambient features. You can play around with backgrounds. I've been having a bit of a play in terms of some of the interactive nature of the television. You can literally shape it to form the right color and hue and texture and feeling and subject matter in order to act like a piece of artwork and actually really be a part of your home and feel like it's part of you and your style. I should mention as well, at the moment, we've got it on a stand, essentially saying, hey, I'm a piece of art hanging on an easel. I sort of really like how proud that is. Having it on a stand, it does take up quite a bit of surface area, so it's best for really generous sized living areas like the one we're in now, you know, where you've got presence to actually give it prominence and actually be proud of it as a TV, as an object, as a piece of furniture. But what's really cool is that because it's got that integrated base, you can actually pick that up and pop it on your entertainment unit, your mantle, your shelf, and then it just completely changes how a TV should look and feel, because not only have you got the base, but you've also got a shelf at the top, which also has that flat base. So you can start styling, you can put plants down at books, you know, you might even have a cat that might just want to hang out on top of it one day. I really like the fact that that truly is treating it like an object and a piece of decor as opposed to a television in your room. So the Serif is actually a design collaboration between Samsung and the Bouroullec brothers, and it's really quite unique and exciting and interesting to me that Samsung have worked with independent designers, because I think when you sort of work with independent designers and you think outside the box a little bit more, you get results like this. You get something that is completely unique and completely original. This TV may not be for everyone, but I must say it really does speak to the designer's eye. It really talks to people that love aesthetics and love the look and feel of this TV as an object, as a piece of furniture, because then it allows you to integrate technology into your home with style.